The embroidery grip is a really awesome tool to have for your hard to hoop embroidery projects. It's also a very easy tool to use with your Brother PR655E. Now, this hoop fits with the standard embroidery hoop arms that come with the PR655E. So installing this is a breeze. The first thing you want to do is be sure that your embroidery arms are set to their widest setting, the exact same setting that you would use with the largest standard embroidery hoop that comes with the PR655E. Then you want to be sure that your embroidery grip arms are set to a wide setting as well, because you don't want these arms to hit the area where your needles are on the machine. Next, the only thing you have to do is slide this right on the machine the same way you attach your standard largest embroidery hoop. And you slip it right under the clips and click it in place. Removal is just as simple. You lift up on the front part of it and slide it right out of that clip. It's that simple to install and remove the embroidery grip from the PR655E.